The pale tiger of Nilgiris has won global attention, and it could be an example of aberrant genetic phenomena. Revivification as choice A, which means the restoration of life, and rejuvenation as choice C, which means restoring the action or process of making someone or something look or feel better, younger, or more vital. Both choice A and C thus do not fit the blank with respect to the sentence, as the sentence is not about restoration at all. So choice A and choice C are to be eliminated. Motif means any type of pattern. It may show a little relevancy, but it is not specified in an expanded sense like genetic mutation or diversity. Moreover, choice E has no pair match, so it is eliminated. Choice B is irrelevant and wrong option because nothing is definitely inscribed in the statement about any type of therapy. Choice B has also no pair match in the options given, so we can easily eliminate choice B. Choice D, given as mutation, as choice F, given as diversity, fit the blank to make sense with a view to setting an example which also reflects the aberrant genetical condition anticipated. To make sense literally, to fit the blank with respect to the sentence, choice D and choice F are the perfect matches. So the correct answers are choice F and choice D.